Oh, she's cold this morning. Look at the green hornet sitting there. Just got her far left. Sexy looking machine. Kinda like sling like Yep. Sit here and look at the truck smoke. It's cold. I had to heat the old girl up this morning. Space heater. I finally got her building some air. It come a winter wonderland, a winter storm. Not really, but I'm glad to see some snow. I like snow. Look, perfect time. Look, there's the hot rod. Oh, Jezebel. Oh, everything. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's get her. Here in a minute. And we're off. We're pretty proud of our little project. With all that work. Putting that bad boy on there. I got a lot going on today. I gotta get this loader over. And then the guy's supposed to be coming to do our central boiler. And I gotta run back from here and help him unload my daggum stove. Cause he ain't got nothing to unload it. Or something's tore up on his trailer or something. Anyway. That's the way it goes, folks. I'm gonna charge them for use of my tractor. Well, let's go on up through here, and it's kind of hard to drive and film. I'll do some videos maybe up there whenever we start trying to pull it in and everything. See you in a bit. Well, we made it over here. Gotta back it all the way up in here to where we can pull her up in there. Right up yonder's the job. Going across this bridge. That's the bridge. It is a whopping 24 degrees over here. There's a professional. A professional. A driver. Look at that Big Mac go. Big Mac. I could do a burnout right here. Sorry for the old. Uh-oh. Get out of there. Sorry for the wiggle wobbling. All that good stuff of filming. I don't know, that right there looks pretty smooth. Get off that bank there, buddy. coming with my truck, since I finally got it thawed her out. My belly's hurting. Should be able to start this job this week. Maybe, I don't know. Might try to start it next week. I'd like to get all my other equipment moved to the house. See what we do here. Let her rip, Tater Chip. Uh-oh. It's a going. It's a going. Start to see it made it, but I didn't. But I'm making it. Now we're going. I ain't got two-wheel drive. Look at that, son. Tell you what, us mountain men can get something done. Tell you what. And